Welcome to the BDS Biology of Meaning miniseries, episode 27. Inflammation, in the Western biomedical model, is defined as the body's response to an injury. It can be infectious, traumatic, or immunological. It manifests heat, redness, swelling, and pain. Its function is to protect, isolate, and repair. Treatment is aimed at eliminating the cause and controlling the response when it is excessive or dangerous. This model is indispensable in clinical practice, especially in acute situations. However, it focuses primarily on the mechanism and not always on the entire process. The biology of meaning introduces another perspective. It proposes that many symptoms, including inflammation, can appear as part of a repair phase following a period of stress or conflict. During the active phase, the body adapts. When the tension decreases, the body enters a repair phase and may become inflamed as part of that process. This approach, linked to Reich-Geerd-Hamer, introduces the notion of temporality. However, in the Faro integral method, it is not applied automatically. Not all inflammation is repair. There may be an active infection, chronic processes, or sustained dysregulation. Reducing the symptom to a single explanation is clinically incorrect. The Faro approach integrates levels. Following Carl Jung, the symptom can also be an expression of the unprocessed. Inflammation can be understood as an intensification of unintegrated content, not as a literal translation, but as a manifestation. Following Ken Wilber, inflammation cannot be reduced to a single level. It is simultaneously biological, subjective, relational, and contextual. Clinical practice demands that dimensions not be excluded. From traditional Chinese medicine, inflammation is associated with heat, damp heat, or stagnation. It is a dynamic imbalance, not an isolated event. Treatment seeks to regulate, not just suppress. From Taoism, it is understood as an excess of yang, movement, expansion. It can be part of a process, but it can also be disruptive if not integrated. The Faro integral method does not replace models.
It articulates them.
But this articulation is not theoretical. It is clinical, and it is expressed in roles. Approach from the two Faro roles. Faro nursing works on the actual body, the clinical state, and safety. Evaluates signs of severity, differentiates between acute, chronic, and infectious inflammation, applies indicated care and treatments, relieves pain, and manages risks. Does not interfere unnecessarily if the process is reparative. Intervenes applying the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM. Its focus is care, observation, and appropriate intervention. Faro coach works on the subject's experience and the lived process. Explores the temporality of the symptom, investigates what was happening before, identifies possible situations of stress or resolution, accompanies without automatically interpreting, and helps construct meaning without imposing it. Its focus is awareness, not diagnosis. Clinical integration. Inflammation is not addressed from a single perspective. The state of the body is evaluated, the process is understood, the symptom is placed within the history, and intervention is carried out judiciously. It is neither automatically suppressed nor idealized as always reparative. Learning. The same symptom requires different perspectives to fully understand its magnitude without taking it out of context from the individual and their environment. Faro phrase. Caring, supporting, and understanding are not the same. But in health, all three are necessary. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Comment if you wish. Share this video to raise collective awareness. Study with ESSI. Integral Faro Method. Learn science with awareness because in health, knowledge is not neutral. It is vital.